Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel, to all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers. Hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. I gotta sit back in the chair and I've been shopping again. I know, I've been shopping again. So what? Who cares? I'm gonna shop because I love shopping. And you know what? You can't steal my joy. Anyway, if you guys want to know what the newest addition to my collection is, stay tuned. Okay, well, I hit my favorite pickup spot, champs. Well, let me not say it's my favorite pickup spot, but it's becoming the favorite pickup spot of recent. And I picked up something in the white box with the gold jump man, so you all can probably figure out, well, you probably saw the thumbnail and you saw the shoe, but I'm gonna go ahead and flip this sucker open for you. I got the receipt right here, so I'm gonna sit that there for a second. So here is the box right here. I'm gonna flip it open, and this is the paper that it came with. And if you look at the paper really closely, it says let's see, this says featuring exceptionally soft leather that shows off its natural raw beauty. So this is made of raw materials. And the shoe that I am talking about is the Jordan 1 Mid Women's Sanddrift. And the colorway is Sanddrift Sail Midnight Navy. That is the colorway on the box. I picked these up, like I said, I picked these up at Champs, and retail price, as I pull the scroll of receipt, the retail price was $135 before tax. So that is how much I paid for these puppies. Let me go ahead and put the box on the floor. And here are the shoes right here, so you guys can see them. Let me give you a close-up of the shoe right here. Basically, the shoe is in a Sanddrift color with blue. This is they said midnight navy. If you look at the blue on the string, and I'm pull the sock liner so you guys can see that, and the sock liner, it looks denim to me. And I don't know why they're calling it midnight navy, but it looks like a denim to me. When I first, funny thing is, when I saw the shoe the first time, I saw it on the website, on Nike's site, and the shoe was really cute. I love the colorway, and it kind of gave me a it kind of reminded me of another pair that I have down here. Oh, they're up there. Those pair right, oh, you can't see because my head. That one right there, which is the lemon Jordan mids. And I think those were women's also. So they kind of gave me that lemon. I think it's lemon. I'll put it on the screen. It gave me the idea of that shoe there. But I was like, but I think this is a little bit more softer. And like I said, when I opened the box, it's made of a softer leather, and it's a raw material. So let me give you a close-up a little bit more so you guys can see what the shoe really looks like. The light is not giving it its just due, so I am going to put some pictures up on the screen so you guys can see what the shoe really looks like. So basically, the shoe all over is in the Sanddrift color. This is a very soft leather on the toe. This is a canvas material here. This is leather. The swoosh also is in a canvas. You got the Jordan wings in the midnight navy. Your strings are also in the midnight navy, but kind of giving me some denim wash vibes. Also, the sock liner is also in the navy color also. There we go. The navy color also. The tongue is the Jordan Jumpman on the tongue. I'm waiting on that to focus. Hopefully that's focusing in. There it is right there. It's focused in. And funny thing is, I have not tried these on. I didn't even try them on the store. This is a women's size 9. so I know they fit because I am a size 9. Bottom and the sole is all white. I guess that's the sail color. Or is the sail color the inside of the tongue? Oh, let me show you the inside of the tongue also so you guys can see that. That's the inside of the tongue right there. So, you guys know the drill. I'm going to go ahead. I got some outfits. I'm going to put them on so you guys can see how I normally style it. I actually had a lot of choice. Well, not a lot. I had a pretty good amount of choices for this because of the blue and because of this Sanddrift color. Because I have a lot of clothes. I didn't realize I own a lot of blue besides black. Of course, I own a lot of blue. So I had a lot of things to choose from. So hopefully you guys like the styling that I do. So I'm going to take you all over there so you guys can see what I styled these shoes with. And then I'll be back and we can wrap it up. Okay, for this look, I want to just go all blue to pull out the blue in the laces and on the wings of the Sanddrift mids. I paired it with this jumpsuit from the Gap that I got a few years back. I have layered it with a black tank top from Target. A black saddlebag, black on black saddlebag I got from Dooney and Burke. This is probably one of the oldest bags in my collection. Got this probably around 1998, 2001 in that area. I want to say it was before 9/11. I want to say that. But anyway, glasses are from Burberry. I think I got these for Christmas some years back. But yeah, I wanted to do something kind of casual. You know, you're going to go get some breakfast, hang out with friends, things like that, run around town. Just something real casual, easy. Just throw on a jumpsuit, throw on your Sanddrifts, and just, you know, do what you got to do. All right, for this outfit to go with the Sanddrifts, I went a little bit kind of casual dressy, like if I was, you know, going to brunch with the girls or maybe a date, you know. Something I haven't done in years. But anyway, we ain't gonna get into that. We're not gonna talk about my love life. This is not what this is about. So we're gonna go top to bottom. Top sunglass aviators from Kate Spade. Blazer from Banana Republic. T-shirt from The Gap. Belt Coach. Shorts, Universal Threads from Target. You guys saw these shorts in the Brotherhoods video from a few weeks back. And I had two choices of bags. I forgot that I have a lot of bags with blue in it. So one choice I went with was the Coach Cassie bag. I took the straps off. I think this bag, I have like 2 straps for this bag, I think. But you want to, I mean, if you want to just carry the top handle, this bag is, I want to say stone, and I forgot what the blue color is. When I find the colors, I'll put it on the screen for you guys. But this is the Coach Cassie bag. Or if I want to, you know, luxe it up, I would go with my Gucci pouch that I got myself for graduation last year. Oh, got the bag from Coach. But yeah, my Gucci pouch I got through Farfetch for my graduation last year. So yeah, if you want to, like, if you're going on a date night, dates, or date night, whatever, or brunch, or, you know, something you hanging out, you know, you want to be somewhat dressy but be a little casual, or you were dressy earlier and you said, okay, my feet hurt, I'm gonna throw my J's on. This is a really good outfit combination to do. All right, let me give you guys one more close-up of the shoe so you guys can see the shoes again. So on the on the toe of the shoe, along with the swoosh and the back, they're all a canvas material, and all the other spots are a raw, soft leather. The tongue is also in a soft leather. Also at the top of the tongue, it is open, just kind of like the Comfort Jordans that I've noticed. They all have that open part at the top of the tongue. And then, like I said, and these shoes did not come with an extra lace, which I'm okay with because I like this blue. And I didn't realize I owned as much blue as I do. So that's why it was kind of hard to find. Well, not kind of hard to find an outfit, to try to narrow down outfits. So I like these shoes. I really do. I'm sure they are super comfortable. These are a women's size 9, which you all know Jordans for me fit true to size. So That's it. I'm gonna get out of here. I have lunch. I am on lunch and I have about 20 minutes to go until I get back to work. And if you guys like videos like this and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Those are free. Hitting that thumbs up button lets me know that you guys like these videos and you all want to see more of them. And if you don't, you're still going to get them anyway, because that's what I want to do. Anyway, also, if you guys want to read anything, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net, where I just talk about what's on my mind. I should have a new blog out very soon if it has not already gone out, or a few of them have not already gone out. Trying to get back into the swing of things. I think I've said that in several videos. Try to get back in the swing of things, back to my blogging and everything. And that is it. I am going to get out of here. Like I said, I'm on lunch. Gotta go. Love, peace, hair products, sneakers, handbags, and more. Bye.